Dear children, today we are going to learn first chapter of 11th mathematics CBSE. So sets. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Usually the sets are denoted by capital letters such as capital A, B, C, X, and the elements of set are denoted by small a, small b, small c, x, etc. Of course, set is a collection of well-defined objects. Some important sets are set of natural numbers denoted by capital N is equal to natural numbers, counting numbers only within the flower brackets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot, etc. Okay, set of integers denoted by capital I or Z is equal to, see here, set of integers also infinite series only. So we are going to write it includes both positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0 dot 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 dot 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 etc. enclosed in a bracket. Set of rational numbers denoted by Q, the numbers in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to integer set and Q is not equal to 0, so the denominator must not be equal to 0. So here the set we can denote as starting with 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and it includes fraction also. P by Q means 1 by 2, plus or minus 1 by 3, plus or minus 2 by 3, plus or minus etc. Here this number is also in the form of P by Q, because if nothing is there in the denominator, we need to consider it as 1. Okay, next, set of irrational numbers, Q dash denoted by, so the set of irrational numbers which are square root of 2, comma square root of 3, so square root of 5, etc. Next, set of real numbers. So these real numbers, you know that the union of set of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So within the bracket 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 etc. plus or minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 3 dot 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 plus or minus square root of 2 plus or minus square root of 3 dot 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 enclosed the bracket. The set of complex numbers, until now you have not learned this one, it is denoted by capital C. So the set is represented within the bracket and it is denoted in the form of a rule method. See, x plus iy, where x and y belongs to real numbers, whether it may be rational or irrational. Okay, but here the part I is called as imaginary part, where I is equal to square root of minus 1. So in the first exercise, to understand clearly what is set, he has given some more problems. For example, exercise 1.1, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The collection all months of a years beginning with the letter J. So in a month, in a year there are 12 months. So clearly he mentioned that the months of the names beginning with the letter J, which are January, June and July. So this is well defined. So we are going to call this is a collection of well defined objects. The given information is a set. Next, problem B, the collection of most talented writers of India. The word most talented related, what is this relative? Relative means most talented writers, it is the person who, it depends upon the person who is going to decide that writer as talented. So this is not well defined information, so this is not a set. A team of 11 best batsmen of the world, so this is also relative information which depends upon the person who is going to decide about the best batsman. So this is not a set. the collection of all boys in a class. In a class, it shows that the information tells about a particular class. So in a particular class, boys are defined. Suppose how many of them. So the collection of information is well defined. So this is a set. The collection of all even integers, this is also a set. See here, set is denoted by capital letters enclosed in within brackets, even though it is infinite set, but it is well defined. So starting from negative dot dot dot, here we should take only the even integers, that is multiples of 2 only, minus 6 comma minus 4 comma minus 2, 0, 2 comma 4 comma 6 and dot 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 etc. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So this is also relative information, most, which is most dangerous animal, but this is also not well defined, so this is not a set.